Good morning everybody, so it's another day. We're going to Magic Kingdom, we're going to go and get a little drink and stuff. And then yeah, I'm Disney bounding as Ariel today. I've got my little mermaid Visco wristband on. I've got these little ℸ𝕗𝕬𝕗 earring, ℸ𝕗𝕬𝕗 necklace. And yeah, I will show you this when I get in the park. Me and Ashley are going to head down to the little bar in the hotel and get a snack. Look at all these snacks for breakfast. I'm not even hungry, but they look amazing.
Magic Kingdom! I think we're going to go shopping first because there's a few things we want to see or get in the shops. And then we've got Be Our Guest restaurant for dinner. For lunch, we've got that at ℏ𝕗𝕬𝕗. And then those are rides, come back, go to Jiko at our hotel for dinner tonight and watch the contemporary fireworks. So we've got lots of things to do.
Bon appetit!
I'm trying to persuade Ashley to let me have all the paintings. Look what we got! So we got the cupcake for Halloween, which is like, I think it's got a brownie on it, some cupcake. I got a mango and dragon fruit refresher. Ashley got some sort of cold brew.
I got bland.
And the perfect view of the castle. And a little duck.
Please line up the cupcake.
So it's not actually a brownie, I thought it was. It's literally just pure frosting and a tiny bit of cake at the bottom. Like, it's insane. We just finished our cupcake. What do you think?
The best.
It was alright. My teeth are like got black all in them.
It's not really a cupcake, it's more just frosting.
It's just layers of frosting with a confetti cake. Ashley likes frosting, I don't. I genuinely read it was a brownie somewhere, but it's not, so I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. Ashley?
I'm gonna say you didn't read it was a brownie, but you assumed and then thought you read it. But I'm gonna give it a 9, just because the green dye in the cauldron is so intense. It stained my skin and probably my teeth forever.
So he's giving it a 9.
But I would happily eat again.
It's you. In the queue for the Be Our Guest restaurant, and literally I was literally crying. My eyes had to fall off because my eyes were welling up. Look, we're nearly there. Oh my god! I literally could cry. I could feel myself welling up. Oh my god. It's like, oh, cry. It's literally like my dream. I forgot how amazing it was. Yes, we got the bracelet.
It's delicious.
Don't believe me, it's delicious. Croque monsieur. Incredible. Delicious. Good evening, we are heading down for dinner at Jiko's. Today we've been at Magic Kingdom all day, and then we went to have dinner at Be Our Guest restaurant, and then my camera died, and then now we're going to Jiko, which is in the Animal Kingdom Lodge Hotel. It's like a, I think it's like a fancy restaurant to dine at, I don't know. So I've got this outfit on, it's like a crop leopard top, and then I've got some like culottes with some Vans. I'm only wearing Vans to dinner. They kind of go with the outfit, but the only reason I'm wearing them is because we go straight out to Disney Springs after, do loads of shopping and walking, so I'm wearing that. I've got some sunglasses with me, and yeah, we're gonna go straight to Jiko and have some food, so you'll see us in the restaurant.
the battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory. We're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
So I've just finished watching the fireworks at the Contemporary Resort. If you haven't been, you need to go. They're on the balcony and my hair is crazy. I'm just so sweaty and horrible. I've been crying my eyes. My eyelashes all stuck together, my eyes are all puffy. There is the Magic Kingdom. There it is in all its glory. I will try and tap on the screen now to show you. There it is. That's what it looks like. It's so good. If you do ever get a chance to come and watch them from the Contemporary, please do, because it's amazing. We've done it twice now, and we did eat the first time, but we asked if we could come again, and they'll let you as long as you have a good enough reason. And then the Contemporary Hotel is there where you can eat. So we were going to go to Disney Springs, and me and Ash are quite tired, so we're going to head back to the hotel. Ash is enjoying this jazzy music while he's watching. This is like on the water, is like these little, it's like a little water parade. It goes around all the time. You've seen it on the other vlog the other day, but it's back again. He's coming round.
It's jazz every night at the California Grill here at the Contemporary Resort, Orlando, Florida.
Look at his little feet. We're in like the, I think it's the emergency stairwell. Magic Kingdom, Space Mountain, Ashley, water parade. What more could you want? Made a quick pit stop. Ash has gone to the toilet. I thought the vlog was going to end at the hotel, but it's not. We're going on a little walk. I'm in the Fantasia like gift shop, so I'm going to have a little look. I need to find my Dallas Star Wars top, so that's what I'm looking for. And Ash will be back from the toilet in a minute. Let's try and find Dad a top. If not, I'm going to go back to Galaxy's Edge to get more. That is literally me. That's quite cute. I like this. Definitely here for all the snacks. Me and Ash have just come down from the Contemporary. It's right over there. We were like on the roof and I'm just chilling, listening to the water. It was really quiet. Ash is on the sand looking over the lake, and in the distance you can now hear that little water parade thing coming past, which is really funny. But it actually has been a really nice night. It's so peaceful. I've still got my necklace on from Little Mermaid today, but yeah, just chilling. Ashley's chilling on some little sunbeds. Look at that. What a perfect way to end the evening at the Contemporary. You comfy? They look so comfy. Got it, got it.
Over there.
Wow.
But
all these boats have like finally lined up to show us this parade, and I don't even know why they're doing it. I love this parade. This parade happens like every night. I love it. We've seen it in literally every single Disney hotel on this lake. We stay at every time we've been to it in the evening, it's always there. And like, I think I've like fallen in love with this like weird little parade that goes on. I don't even really get it. I think it's just like a light parade. Look at it, watch. It's Sebastian! Yay! King Triton and Sebastian!